What do you think, Charlie? Asshole bird. PSA. Do not drive fast with bad tires. In the rain. See, I was safe and waited until I got home and thought Charlie Brown would help me do this PSA on hydroplaning. Seen a couple cars on the side of the road, sideways. Yeah. Can't drive fast. Oh, there we go. Let's see. What is it, Charlie? Charlie Brown. Asshole. He won't let me talk. Do it. Bad Charlie Brown. Baddest bird in the whole damn town. Wild thing. You make my heart sing. Charlie doesn't like me. I've known Charlie for 4 years, 5 years. But he's over 30. He could live for another 60. And he still hates me even though I'm good to him. Charlie. Wild thing. Charlie Brown. Charlie Brown. Wild thing. You make my heart sing. You make everything groovy. Wild thing. I love Charlie Brown. Charlie Brown doesn't love me. Charlie Brown. Charlie Brown. Say wild thing. Charlie? Where's Marshall? You make my heart sing. Hello, Charlie. Hello. You make everything. Hello, Charlie. 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 Where's Marshall? Grandma. Hello, Charlie. Charlie. He's an asshole. Oh. Hello, Charlie. Say bye-bye. Hello, bye-bye.